everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to package an Adobe InDesign file. So let's begin the video. First, make sure your document is open in Adobe InDesign. To begin the packaging process, go to the File menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Package. This will open the package dialog box, which provides a summary of your document, including any missing fonts, linked images, and other issues that need to be addressed. Review this information to ensure everything is in order. Once you have reviewed the summary, click the Package button at the bottom of the dialog box. A warning message may appear, asking you to save your document before packaging. Click Save. Next, the Package Publication dialog box will appear. Here, you can specify the location where you want to save the packaged folder and rename it if necessary. You can also include options to copy fonts, linked graphics, update graphics links, and include an IDML file and a PDF. Click Package to finalize the process. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.